Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Zishan Info. In this video, I will talk about 10 facts you don't know about Can Yaman. No doubt, Turkish actor Can Yaman has achieved huge stardom during his artist career to the point where he became an international A-lister with millions following him on social media. Here are 10 facts you don't know about the Turkish star. He studied in an Italian school and graduated first in class. Can studied law according to his father's desire and excelled in it as well. Can Yaman owns a law firm along with two of his friends, but he does not go there much because he is preoccupied with acting. He began his career in acting in the series Bunul Isleri Matters of Love and played the role Badir. Can speaks four languages: Turkish, English, Italian and German. His zodiac sign is Scorpio. He is known for his strong and self-confident personality, extremely jealous, romantic and rational. He's been in a number of relationships, but he is not lucky in love. His longest relationship did not last more than a year, and it was with actress Bestimesu Özdemir, and he dated actress Demet Özdemir. He is good at cooking and is actually known for his famous dish stuffed grape leaves, which he prepares in his own way. He is very attached to his family despite the separation of his parents since he was young. He has a passion for sports and plays basketball from a young age, achieving many titles